The Philippines has always been known as a basketball nation. Even in the most unlikely of places, talent thrives. In the quiet town of Camalig, Albay, a superstar has risen above the poverty in the form of Adamson Falcons forward, Alex Nunes.
Yung nag-start ako ng paglalaro ng basketball, gumagawa lang kami ng ring na maliit, tas naglalaro-laro kami kay Sandon, tapos pustahan, mga ganun, mga pustahan na ice water lang yung pustahan, ganun. Yung UAP dati hindi ko pa naririnig, hindi ko nga alam. Nung pagpunta ko lang ng Manila, yun pala yung lalaroan ko, yung UAP. Wala akong alam. Bale, yung kakilala namin pare, kilala si Coach Leo. So, yung pare na yun, dinala ko kay Coach Leo. Tapos, yun, parang na ako ni Coach Leo na maglaro sa Adamson.
The transition from Albay to Manila wasn't easy. Even on the court, Adamson still had the likes of Patrick Cabajo, Mark Agustin, and Leo Canuday leading the roster.
First of all, yung diet. The second, yung preparation ko na para sa game, mga 3 months before ng off-season, doon ako nag-start. So, doon ako nag-hard work kasi kung ipapakita mo sa off-season, yun ang lalabas sa season na mismo, sa UAP, ganun. Tsaka importante yung hydration. Siyempre, pag hydration, makakatulong yung Gatorade sa atin.
As his career flourished, it seemed that everything was in proper place. Alex helped the team bounce back and redeem itself as contenders in the UAAP. But at the start of this year's season, disaster struck with a season-ending shoulder injury.
Nung una, sabi ko, parang hindi ata para sa akin ng basketball, pero one time tinanong ko nagtanong ako sa Diyos na kung para sa akin ba talaga, pero bigyan ako ng sign, tapos ayun, binigyan niya ako ng sign. May mga opportunities pa rin na ABL, D-League na gusto pa rin ng papermine. So, yun ang sign na parang okay pa rin para sa akin pa talagang basketball.
This again is another obstacle for our promising superstar.
Pagsubok lang to, ganyan talagang buhay, pero tuloy pa rin ang laban.